I absolutely loved these storage bins. They are beautiful and well made. Unfortunately it's unavailable, but I hope they are able to restock soon because I want to buy another set. If you get an opportunity, definitely buy them. Well worth it. These are so cute and so affordable. Exactly like the picture. I loved. Attractive, and just as pictured. Is functional in the bathroom. The only downside is the lining is not removable for cleaning. Otherwise, will do the trick on back of toilet and bathroom countertop. Purchased for my baby's nursery. Holds diapers perfectly. I love it. Such a cool addition to the bathroom. You get two, so it's such a better deal than something you would buy at Target. Fun find. I am beyond pleased with the quality of this product. It has added the perfect touch to my room. I would also like to add that, while I ordered this product before the mass pandemic hit the US, this company made sure I was a priority and got this to me in a very timely manner, especially given the circumstances. However, I would have definitely understood if they did not send this out to me during this time and the panic surrounding COVID-19. I further would like to thank them for putting their customers first, and I do hope that everyone stays well. Click link in description for more info.